Only problem, I bought it from a fake seller.
James Dainard just walked over to my desk.
If you skip the first 3 steps, that's the easiest way to lose money.
Yo, James, this place is amazing.
Welcome to the Lion House. This is one of the most badass properties in Bridal Trails. I've been watching it for 8 years, tracking for 5, and we finally got our hands on it, closed on it about 3 months ago.
All right, so what have you done so far?
So in the last 3 months, what we've done is we got our as-builts done, we hired an architect, we submitted the plans, we've demoed the whole structure, which cost us almost $75,000 for the demo and the yard, and we started framing. So the cool thing is, this is actually the first time since I've been back that I'm starting to feel what the layout is that we actually designed.
And how big is this place?
So it's about 4,400 square feet. It's got a 1,200 square foot garage, and it's on 2.7 acres in the heart of Bellevue. So the framing's about 50% done. We're starting to feel those spaces. I like to come through frequently during framing just so I can really make sure we're doing the right plan. We've manipulated this whole floor plan. So for example, this was our actual kitchen before. So it was kind of tucked away in the back of the house, super closed off. Watch the nail pops.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Hazards, you guys make sure you wear solid shoes.
Ooh.
Also, your demo guy should be getting rid of this stuff, pop it out. But what we've done is it was actually a 1960s structure, and it was in not in that bad a shape, but the floor plan wasn't perfected. And then also it came with dual staircases, which ate up a lot of extra space. So it was like a 4,400 square foot house, but it felt a little smaller because we had dead spaces and waste of space.
So you said you moved the kitchen. So originally the kitchen was over here. Where are you moving it to?
Yeah, so the kitchen was over here, which I didn't like. It was all sectioned off. It was closed, a little claustrophobic. That's not gonna get you the high price on the property. So what we've done is actually we had a massive fireplace here. You can see how big it was. And we dropped this fireplace. That cost us $5,000 just to remove this. But what it's done is it's created this floor plan that is nice, grand. It has a huge entrance. You walk in your front doors, you got 20-foot ceilings, and now we're gonna have a kitchen that's almost double the size of the last one. We're gonna be able to wrap our kitchen all the way through this section. We installed a massive pantry because it's a big family house in Bellevue. The kitchen's gonna come all the way through here, and then we're gonna have about a 12-foot island sitting right here. So people's first impressions when they come in the front door, gonna be tall ceilings, lots of natural light. You're gonna get a huge kitchen, and then off the kitchen, the reason we also wanted to move it is we wanted it to flow to the outdoor space. You have a 2.5 acre property. You want to overemphasize those areas, right? Why does it make it special? People have the space, they want to use it. So now we're going from a kitchen tucked away to a nice flow out, and then they're gonna have a huge patio out here with string lights, and we might do like a little undercover area as well, to where they can entertain out this side rather than just being stuck in the corner. So what we're gonna do is create a huge patio and then maybe build like a little outdoor gazebo type thing right here that's more of like a shed, modern, contemporary one. It would have an outdoor barbecue, and then they can entertain in this area.
So who helps you come up with all these designs and ideas? Do you come up with it?
So it's a team effort. So me and my listing broker, Megan Halter, we come up, she does a lot of the design, the spec. I do the budgeting and kind of come up with the general themes. The amazing thing about Megan is I can give her the theme, and then she's gonna give me 5 different gazebos to look at. Then I'm probably gonna tell her 3 of them are way too expensive, and then we can narrow it down to 2, and then I help them cost effectively kind of construct the build.
Sounds like she has an amazing job. She gets to go shopping all day?
Yeah, she gets to go, well, but she has to shop on a budget. It's not an open air budget. So, but she has designed a killer house. We're gonna go with somewhat, it's more of like gonna be a modern farmhouse, but not in your traditional way. We're doing more smooth, tight siding. We're doing custom black windows all the way through, but more of a contemporary. Instead of doing gridded, we're gonna do, it's a 3-line. It's a really cool window design. And then we're gonna kind of play into this whole kind of modern architecture through here. So we're gonna do modern rails all the way up through. And then it leads up into this awesome living room. So this is our formal living room. So we're gonna spend a lot of money putting the emphasis here. The reason we wanna put the money here is because the view looks out at a 2.5 acre private lot. This is extremely rare in Bellevue. So the more you can emphasize the novelty of it, the higher premium price you're gonna get.
Wow, this view is amazing
It's
already.
so awesome.
You said this is 2.7 acres?
2.7 acres, goes all the way out through this way, and it's like living in a nature preserve inside of an urban city.
Look at this driveway.
Yeah, I know, this is an awesome driveway. So we're trying to design this right now in a cost-effective way, where I'm leaning towards, but I'm pricing it out right now, because it's almost like the brick road, like kind of this cool area. So we might do paver bricks all the way down, so it feels more like an experience coming in. And then we're gonna line the whole driveway up with standing lights. And so it's just gonna have this cool approach that you can't find anywhere else. We want the house to pop out as soon as people see it. So we are going with a white scheme, a black contemporary window, and we're doing a standing seam black metal roof. So when people come down that driveway, where they're getting the experience in, then they're coming up, and luckily the house sits up on the elevation. So it's gonna have this massive curb appeal approach. Like when you come up, you're gonna feel like you're in an estate. We're also adding to outdoor features, or we're working on bidding this out right now. It has an old original pool that needs a lot of work. So we've gotten 4 quotes so far. They've totaled around 150 grand. So we're trying to figure out how to get the cost down. Luckily we have the time, and we're gonna continue to bid it out. So upstairs, what we've designed, we've wanted to turn it from a 3-bed, 2-bath into a 4-bed, 2.5-bath. The reason being, it's a very family-friendly house. We don't want a tight amount of bedrooms. So we had a bedroom here. We have this massive bathroom, which is good because we're a little bit tight on bathroom size. So we're gonna overemphasize this to where it's still very functioning. I typically don't like 1 bathroom to service 3 bedrooms, but this is literally 3 bathrooms long, or 2 bathrooms big. So we're gonna have pocket doors from each bedroom for ensuite, huge shower, toilet, and a big double vanity with extra storage, so it's gonna be able to serve as well. One thing we also added besides the other bedroom was a big flex space, so the kids can kind of work their way in. So as we get into the master suite, here we go. We're doing a nice big double door, so it's got a grand entrance, matches the house. And then what we've done is we've reconfigured this whole space. Prior to us doing this, there was a big staircase coming down through here. It ate up a lot of space. So we've sheeted this whole thing out, and it gave us another bedroom and another 100 square feet to our master, which is allowing us to add the feature. We're setting up for his and hers closet. That's the small one's his. Hers, we're getting the door jamb in right now. As you can see, it's a lot bigger. And then as we come through here, it's gonna lead into a shower. Then we're gonna have a big tub, double vanity, and then a toilet room through here. So nice 5-piece bath, double closet, and then the bedroom size is roughly 240 square feet, so it feels big and nice. Also, the master has a really good view of their big lot as well. So once we're all done, trees will be limbed up. You're gonna be able to look at your 2-acre estate and your cool new custom pool over there.
Where's the pool?
Way down there.
Oh, let's see. I think I see a little bit of the slide. All right, so now that we've checked out the upstairs, what's going on down here?
So the downstairs, after relocating the kitchen, what we've done is we've limited that staircase, which then also opened this whole area. It was a laundry room tucked back in here before, but now we've reframed this whole section to where we have about a 20 by 40 bonus space off, which is a great space for kids to watch movies. It's your TV room, it's your secondary family room on the main floor. So it's a very good entertaining house. We got the formal living room, big bonus space, and the flex room upstairs.
So what is this?
Was some sort of weird hot tub room before. So what we've done is we didn't want to put a hot tub back in because we thought visually inside the house it takes away from this awesome setting. So we're actually installing custom windows through here, and we're gonna make it more of like a Zen garden. So it gives it nice visual. As you come down your hallway, you're gonna be able to see this. We're gonna do like a little bubbler, nice plants through here, and it's just gonna add a lot of natural light, lots of greenery inside this space through here.
Love
it. Should be a little vocal point of the room. Now as we come through this section, before what this was the garage was tucked over here, laundry room was over there. We've relocated the laundry room into off the garage. So this was just a giant bonus space before that we maximized by creating a mudroom where you come through your garage in your mudroom, and then we created kind of a secondary guest suite or landing quarters where they have a bedroom, bathroom, and a full bedroom, closet, and a full bathroom in the corner. So very functional for a large family.
All right, James. Well, thank you so much for the tour. How can everyone stay tuned?
So for more information on the Lion House, click and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ProjectRE, or follow me on Instagram, JDaneFlips, and we'll be giving you guys weekly updates of what we got going on, types of finishes that we're putting in, and how much we can actually get this thing sold for at the very end.